Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Joe Biden comes up with a new tax idea. Okay, not of course, not personally. So the whole team, and it will affect right now the rich people. This is the idea, and it's all about the investment income tax. But let's talk about that. The second news is about that even the New York Stock Exchange is coming up with an ETF idea and proposal. So will they finally accept this one? I mean the SEC? We will see. And the third news is all about that the Turkish crypto exchange Todex, it's actually now temporarily closed, and the boss of it disappeared. Guys, be careful leaving crypto on exchanges. I have told you so many times. So all this in today's video. Wow, what a weekend we had again. Basically nothing special, but we still staying a little bit in the red zone. Today, by the way, it's a nice green candle awaking at the moment. We'll see how long it will go. But yes, could be that this week looking a bit more positive. However, we will see. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you would like to get fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday, then what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and all, and then you're getting them, no question of that. And also, I have a free course for you. If you're newbie to crypto, yes, then I have it for you. How to start to invest in blockchain and other cryptocurrencies. The link is under this video, and check out the other links. They are also very useful. And now it's time to move on to the market, which is actually today, well, wrong button. Yes, this is much better. So, yeah. It's looking green at the moment, especially because Bitcoin is going up 6% in the last 24 hours. People say, finally, but we will see how long it will take. But there we have Ethereum, 12% up in the last 24 hours. At the moment, $2,478 US. Bitcoin is 52,885. When we're looking at the nice gainers here, we have Matic killing it again, 36%. The layer 2 solution becoming more and more important for Ethereum. Therefore, Matic is doing a very great job. Then we have Theta Fuel, 27% off, UMA, 24%, Pancake, 23%, and so on and so forth. As you can see, very nice gains today. When we're looking at the losers, well, Nano at the top with -7%. Then we have Monero 2%, Dogecoin still going down. Obviously, you know, pump and dump. Now we have 3.6, but that was it pretty much. So yes, mainly gainers today. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin chart, you know, finally, so far we have seen now, as I mark it here, a 27% decrease. And now, this was, you know, the bottom of this wick. And now we can see today this very nice long green candle. We will see how long it will take. But this is what's happening at the moment. We just here briefly touched the 100-day moving average. This was a nice support level, kind of. But also around, you know, 47, we had nice support, and around 50. So actually now it's a turn back. We will see how long it will go, as I said. But as you can see here, we had a 26% pullback in this year. Then we had a 32%. And now this is 27%. And I've told you several times that back in 2017, we had several above 30%. So this one is not even that big. And maybe now it's a turn back. But be careful. Let's wait how long it will take. And yes, let's move on to the first news. And the first news is all about Joe Biden's new tax proposal for the rich. So, you know, we do know that Biden is for taxes, and therefore it was just a matter of time that more and higher taxes will come out in the United States. And what we can see right now, that basically, well, they're saying here in this that the Bitcoin tumbles after the report of Joe Biden will raise tax on riches. on rich people. This was actually the news came out last Friday after I made my video, and but I couldn't, just move on without mentioning it, because actually on the weekend I have seen several people talking about it, that this is now granted and this is for sure. No, so far it's just a proposal, and we will see. But also many people forget that this will hit the rich first of all, which means people whose income is more than 1 million US dollars. So look, here they say Joe Biden Biden is planning to raise tax on the wealthiest Americans for those earning 1 million or more. The tax on investment income would raise 39.6%, up from the current rate, which is actually just 20%. So it's kind of doubling. As part of the plan expected to be announced next week, which is this week, if we're looking at this. So it's not finalized yet. The 3.8% tax on investment income used to found Obermark would also be kept in place, meaning the new top rate would be as high as 43.4%. Okay, so altogether, and this is actually a big gain if you're looking at the taxes. Wall Street stocks, shares in technology companies, and digital assets such as Bitcoin all retreated after the report later on Thursday last week. The S&P 500 closed down 0.9, while the FTSE 100 and European market traded lower on Friday morning. So basically, what actually happened, that it affected the whole investment market. So we're not talking about just crypto and just Bitcoin. This hit the Wall Street as hard as it hit crypto. But as I said, it's not finalized yet. We will see probably more news coming out this week. And again, it's not for all crypto traders out there who have some income. It goes for people over 1 million US dollar income. Okay, so this is actually very important. The second news I would like to talk about, that actually it looks like that even the New York Exchange is filing an Bitcoin ETF, and we will see, will be this the one which we finally accepted? Well, let's check it out. I think definitely in this year, an ETF in the United States will bring, Bitcoin ETF, of course, will bring a rise for crypto. This is the one which many people are waiting for, investors. We have seen ETFs on the Canadian market in Canada, put it this way, easier. And ETFs also in other countries coming up. But what are we waiting for really is the US ETF. And now the news saying that even the NYSE, so the New York Stock to list shares of, and they hear Valkyrie's Bitcoin ETF. Valkyrie digital assets is getting ready to launch its Bitcoin exchange traded fund. In other words, ETF. The New York Stock Exchange has filed a 19B4 form on behalf of the investment firm for its Bitcoin exchange traded fund late on Friday. And this form will kick off a 45-day review period when the US Securities and Exchange Commission, so the SEC, acknowledges the filing. And we have seen already a couple of ETFs want to come out in the US. So now we're waiting really the first one approved by the SEC. This is something that I wanted to do for 5 years now, said Stephen McClurg, Chief Investment Officer of Valkyrie's Investment. It wasn't until recent that I believed that the SEC would probably approve a Bitcoin ETF. So we started working on that in earnest probably in August. Yeah, I think earliest. Yeah, earliest probably in August. In the past, the SEC has rejected every Bitcoin ETF application. So yeah, so far not too successful. But new SEC chair Gary Gensler could change the regulator's attitude to the novel investment product. So one reason why people believe that now a new time can come in for the SEC is because Gary Gensler is now the new chairman. Gensler is the former Commodity Futures Trading Commission chairman who has taught crypto and blockchain courses at MIT in recent years. So he's the guy who actually, it's not against blockchain and not against crypto. It's somebody who is familiar with. Therefore, many people hope that this year, a couple of ETFs can come out in the US and Bitcoin ETF. And if this is happening, it would be definitely bullish for the market. Here is saying that several firms have applied for Bitcoin ETF in anticipation for the new administration, so which is led by Gary Gensler. I'm really wondering when will be the first big news. I can announce it. Yes, it's official. US ETF is Bitcoin ETF is coming, but the time will come sooner or later. Okay, and now let's move on to another news, and it goes about a Turkish cryptocurrency exchange, which is now actually closed, and the boss is missing. You know, guys, I've talked several times about keeping money on exchanges is dangerous. Why? Because you do not have control over your cryptocurrency. If you keep it in your hardware wallet, yes, you control it. And when one exchange is not working, simply just, okay, move on to another one. And you can sell your crypto there and trade it and do whatever you want. But then when it returns to your hardware wallet, again, you are the one who controls it. And it's in a safe place as far as it can go in crypto at the moment. But if you leave it on exchanges, then you can be wrecked. Check it out. Turkish crypto exchange's boss goes missing, reportedly taking $2 billion of investors' funds with him. The Turkish cryptocurrency exchange is offline, and the CEO has reportedly gone missing, leaving thousands of investors worried that their funds have been stolen. Whoa. TODEX, the crypto firm based in Turkey, said its platform has been temporarily closed to address of abnormal fluctuation in the company's accounts. According to the translated statement on the website, because if you check it out, it's in Turkish. So, lawyer who filed the criminal complaint against Ozer said TODEX has 400,000 users, of which 390,000 were active. However, Ozer has disputed the allegations, saying that only 30,000 users have been affected by the situation, and the reports about 2 billion of losses are unfounded. Well, true or not, little money, big money, still missing, still closed. The guy is disappeared, yeah. So what can we say? How you can control it? If you leave your money on exchange and something happening to that exchange, you lost control, and you can just basically pray. Is that strong enough for you? You decide. So definitely, I would suggest, not financial advice, but it's just my personal opinion, that keep your crypto savings on a hardware wallet. If you're looking for a right link, even under this video, you can find one, for instance, for Ledger. And then you're not getting the ledger from the wrong source, which could be actually, already hacked. You're getting it directly from a ledger. It's very important to use the link which I provided for you to make sure you're getting it from a legit place. And don't forget that actually Turkish central bank recently banned the use of cryptocurrencies for purchasing goods and services. And actually banning crypto is just keep developing right now. And yes, well, we will see what will actually happen to it. There are countries worldwide which, you know, kind of against crypto. But as you can see, the majority is actually understanding that crypto is getting a part of our life. Now, even authorities, even banks, even institutional investors taking a big advantage on it. And yeah, therefore, the rise of crypto looks actually promising. But of course, you will always find one part of the world, one government, and one authority which is kind of against it. So we will see. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget that subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get the daily fresh news and, you know, get a nice summary so you can stay up to date. Only thing you have to do, subscribe, bell button all, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out, and I'm putting them here on YouTube every weekday from Monday to Friday. And check out the links under the video. I have this free course for you, how to start to invest in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies. You know, it's a free stuff, a lot of valuable and useful information, and it can be yours. You just have to basically download it. I wish you a great day. And of course, tomorrow I see you again because I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.